Hi guys, welcome to Ability TV. If this is your first time joining us on this channel, here is where we teach you how to make money online. Okay, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post another video. Okay, talking about this Stakonomy, the platform where blockchain platform where you can actually buy its share. All right, from the previous video I talked about what Stakonomy is on about, and also shared how you can be part of the organization. If you have not watched the video, kindly go. I will tag the video on this the link to the video on this video. Okay, just watch it and know how to go about the registration. Now, on the second phase, like I promised, today I want to do a live demo. All right, a video demo on how you make deposits and how you buy share on this platform. Okay, so before we proceed, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post another video. All right, there are two things you need to do. Okay, first you have to log in to your dashboard. Okay, after you log into your dashboard, then you might have found your wallet or your exchange with some number of USDT BEP20. Okay, so like you can see here, this 71 USDT, and that is the first step. Then this the second step. Then thirdly, you have to log in. Okay, first you have to log in, then you have the USDT funded. Now you have to come here from your dashboard, locate where there is buy. Okay, or if you don't want to go through that route, you can actually click on buy at $0.25. So now on this particular account, I want to fund it. Okay, now let me see, 200, let's say 200 shares. Okay, 200 shares, $50, that is 50 USDT. So now this is the chain. Okay, BNB USDT, that is BEP20. You can see here it's writing insufficient fund, that is insufficient balance in your wallet. So what do? Now it's time to fund my wallet. Okay, I will have to go here and click on receive. Okay, then you copy the address. All right, go to your exchange or wherever you have the USDT. So if you are using an exchange, the exchange I'm using here is gate.io. All right, so now I'm going to click on withdraw, then I'll select on chain. Okay, make sure you don't make mistakes. I'll select on chain, then select USDT. All right, got it. Select USDT. Now I'm going to enter the address I've copied here. All right, then the network is Binance Smart Chain, that's BNB. All right, so now you can see the minimum you can withdraw here is actually 1.5, but I want to do 50. Okay, the fee here, the fee is actually 0.5. The fee is actually 0.5. So all I have to do is to maybe, okay, let's do 50.5. all right, so that I'll get exact 50 USDT. So now I'm going to click on withdraw, then confirm. All right, I will enter my password. I'll pause the video and enter my details. Let's check if it has arrived. Okay, you can see, if you look here, you see my balance 50 USDT. All right, so it's very fast, very fast. So now If you check, this is where you click, you see number of shares, then you click want to buy with the 50 USDT, that is 200 shares. Okay, I'll enter 200, you can see 50 USD. Then I'll click on purchase shares. Okay, this is it. Confirm share purchase shares 200, price per share 0.25, network BNB. Then I'll click on purchase share. You can see it's processing. This is it, success. Once you receive this, you see processing time approximately 60 seconds, 1 minute. Okay, you close, you can see the balance here is 0. It has turned 0. Okay, you can, if you look up here, you see African shareholder portal, you can see 200 shares at 50 USDT or $50. Okay, your purchase is being processed and completed successfully. All right, so that is why you can see the number of share here. All right, so this is how to buy the share. This is simply how you buy the share. Okay, this is simply how you buy the share. Once you purchase the share, you are going to get certificates. So this is my certificate. All right, so this is it. This is the date issued. I can copy the wallet address, okay, of this. All right, so that is it. This is it, guys. It's very simple and very fast to buy this share. So get into the system, do your own research. If something you can do, just jump into it. You can see the timer is already going down for this bonanza to get elapsed. Okay, it's already 15 hours, just 15 hours left. So if you want to do this, you just jump into it so that you don't miss this bonanza's price. Okay, because after this it's going back to 0.33 dollar per share. Okay, from there it keep rising, keep rising, keep rising. Let's see you guys in other videos. Bye for now.